Are you ready to uncover the dark secrets lurking behind the world of finance? What if I told you that there's a hidden force manipulating your money, your savings, and your future? This isn't just another financial tip, this is about something called financial repression. Imagine waking up one day to find that your hard-earned savings are worth less than they were yesterday. This isn't a nightmare, it's a reality for many people living under financial repression. In this video, we're diving deep into what financial repression means, how it affects you, and why it's crucial to understand this hidden threat. So what exactly is financial repression? Simply put, it's a set of government policies that keep interest rates artificially low. This means that the returns on your savings accounts, bonds, and other fixed income investments are suppressed. It sounds technical, but the implications are very real and often devastating. Now let's explore the challenges that arise from this situation. When interest rates are low, banks have less incentive to lend money. This can lead to a slowdown in economic growth. On top of that, inflation can rise while your savings stagnate. This creates a vicious cycle where you're losing purchasing power every day. But why does this happen? Governments often resort to financial repression as a way to manage their debt. By keeping interest rates low, they can reduce the cost of borrowing. However, this comes at a price. You pay for it with your savings and future financial security. Let's dig deeper into how this works. Financial repression can take many forms, from low interest rates set by central banks to regulations that limit investment options for individuals. For example, when the Federal Reserve keeps interest rates near zero, it might seem beneficial at first glance. But in reality, it means that your savings accounts yield almost nothing, while inflation eats away at your purchasing power. Now let's talk about the key moment in this story, the impact on everyday people like you and me. Picture this. You've saved diligently for years, hoping to buy a home or secure your retirement. But with interest rates low and inflation high, your dreams start slipping away. Your savings aren't growing, they're shrinking in value. This is where financial repression becomes a nightmare scenario. It's not just about numbers on a screen, it's about real lives being affected. People delay retirement, struggle to afford homes, and even face increased anxiety about their financial futures. So how do we break free from this cycle? Understanding financial repression is the first step. You need to be aware of how these policies affect your finances and what you can do about it. Here are some strategies to consider. 1. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different asset classes like stocks, real estate, or even commodities that can provide better returns than traditional savings accounts. 2. Stay informed. Knowledge is power. Keep up with economic news and understand how government policies affect your finances. 3. Consider alternative investments. Look into options like peer-to-peer lending or crowdfunding platforms that may offer higher returns than traditional banks. 4. Inflation-protected securities. Consider investing in assets that are designed to keep pace with inflation, such as Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS. And 5. Consult a financial advisor. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure about where to invest your money, seeking professional advice can help guide you through these turbulent waters. As we wrap up this exploration into financial repression, remember that knowledge is your best defense against these hidden threats. Being aware of how these policies affect you can empower you to make informed decisions about your finances. So what's the takeaway here? Financial repression is real and it impacts us all in ways we might not fully understand yet. But by staying informed and taking proactive steps with our money, we can protect ourselves against its effects. If you found this information valuable and want to learn more about navigating the complex world of finance, make sure to subscribe for more insights.